While most people are still scrolling job portals in 2026, something big is being built behind the scenes. The job market for data analytics and data sciences are changing faster than ever. And the old ways of learning won't survive this shift. Companies are no longer hiring degrees. They are hiring people who are not just doing the analysis, but also integrating AI smartly for better productivity. Those who prepare early will move ahead. Those who don't will struggle to catch up. This isn't another webinar. This is a turning point for anyone serious about data analytics and data sciences careers. Real industry thinking, framework, and clarity that most people realize too late. If you want to stay relevant, if you don't want to miss the next big opportunity, be ready.